How people never wanna act on their dreams. Minimize your negativity and hop on your feet, cause we super duper blessed. I don't wanna repeat everything that I'm saying.
I'm Ben, and you're currently watching Ben Mantra. Before we get into the video, we have a new drop, the Icon Collection Part 2. Here is one of the 6 pieces that released. Here is a t-shirt, the purple t-shirt with the icon on the front and Niagara Falls on the back. It's available right now for $30. I did use a new t-shirt blank for this drop. It's a lot softer compared to the other drops, so definitely go cop it. Link in the top of the description below, and follow the Instagram, Ben Mantra Shop, to get notified every time I drop something new. And we do have this available still, the Icon hoodie in blue. Make sure to go cop it. This is actually the best seller, so make sure to go down top, link in the description below, and cop. But today is a video on a Kanye West piece, my first ever Kanye West Yeezy season piece. So let me get it real quick. So here it is right here, the Kanye West Yeezy season 6, my first ever Yeezy season piece right here. And it is a Kitty Ghost t-shirt. This is Cactus Plant Flea Market times Yeezy season. Really nice t-shirt. Right off the bat, when I first got this t-shirt in, the weight was crazy heavy. This t-shirt is really heavy for just a regular t-shirt. Really like it. I think this will last a while. It should. Retail on this t-shirt was $100. This shirt was only available for 3 days on Kanye's website. After that, it's no longer available. You can get it on StockX right now. I think it's going for like $200 on StockX, on eBay, on Grail, whatever. But this t-shirt is definitely a sick t-shirt. Definitely a perfect t-shirt for the summertime. And so let's take a look at more details on the tag. You got Cactus Plant Flea Market times Yeezy season, Kitty Ghost XL right there. So on the front of the t-shirt, you get Lucky Me Icy Ghost from his album Kitty Ghost, and then you got Feel with the heart. Really like that touch with the heart pop of color. And then on the back, you got Kitty Ghost Camp Flognaw, November 11, 2018. So let's take a look at this colorway. This color is Glacier. It's really hard to explain this color. It's more like a gray, blue, green type of color. It changes in lights. In different lights, it's different colors. I'm not sure if you can see it on camera or not, but follow my Instagram, benmantra_, and I will be posting pictures wearing this t-shirt so you can actually get the real, like, the color of it. It's really hard to explain this color, and that's what you get when you buy Yeezy season t-shirts, is different colors. You know, you just don't get the plain blacks, plain whites. You get different colors, different shades, different tones, and that's something that H&M, Forever 21, you know, they can't replicate this type of stuff that Yeezy season does, the quality, the craftsmanship. So sizing, the t-shirt is oversized a little bit. The arms right here are really oversized, really like that, but this t-shirt is oversized, very comfortable. Pricing is really steep, but this is a designer t-shirt, so, and this is from Yeezy season 6. I think Yeezy season 7 is coming really soon as well. But yeah, Yeezy season 6 t-shirt. So that's going to wrap it up for the review of this t-shirt. The Yeezy season 6 Kitty Ghost t-shirt. Very nice. If you want to cop it, definitely recommend copping it. It's very nice, very heavy, and very well built. So I recommend you copping it. And this is a puff print. It's not regular print, just like regular screen print. This is puffed and raised up from the t-shirt. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see that, but it is raised. So yeah, I definitely recommend copping it. Definitely a nice t-shirt. That's going to wrap it up for the review of this t-shirt. Videos coming up. We have a sneaker review. We have another unboxing, Supreme unboxing, a Fear God unboxing. So definitely 2 Fear God unboxings. So stay tuned to the channel. Subscribe. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers. I hope to hit 1,000 by May, my birthday month. So let's hit 1,000 subscribers before May. Icon Collection now available. Link in the top of the description below. That's going to do it for the video. Until next time, peace.